Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Xbox games not launching. So the first thing we want to do is go up to Settings, and then go to General, go to Personalization, and just make sure you have your Xbox set as home, so you can actually use this if it goes offline or something like that. It'll share a Game Pass and your games with every other account. So that's important, just in case. And then go to Network Settings and make sure you're connected to the internet. Sometimes this will go down and you won't realize it, and that's the reason why your game's not working. And then we can go back under here, and then we can go on down, and we want to go to where it says account, and then go to privacy and online safety. Maybe there's some setting that got reset or something like that. So go to Xbox privacy, go to custom, view details and customize, and then go to where it says communication multiplayer, and just make sure you can join multiplayer is turned on and it's allowed right here, so you can actually play online. Then we can go back. Let's go to the Xbox button right here and go to My Games and Apps, and then go to See All. And here's my game library. So we can press options on the game and we can uninstall it and reinstall it again. Just going over to See Full Library, and you can re-download the game under here. So here's like Master Chief Collection, for example. So I can press this and install it back on my Xbox. And then we can also go to Manage Games and Add-ons, and we could go to where it says Save Data, and we can completely delete the saved data from here. However, this might actually delete your campaign progress. So if you don't have Xbox Game Pass, this isn't going to sync to the cloud for you. So you might not want to delete this. So it has all your game progress on here. Just make sure this is backed up before you go ahead and delete it. But that could be causing an issue, especially sometimes where you can't log in on an online game or something like that. Delete the reserved data right there and then relaunch the game, and you should be able to log in. I've noticed that helps in the past. Now we can go back out under here, and we can go on down to the Manage section, and we can go check for an update. Sometimes there's going to be an update under here and you won't be able to start the game because there's an update specifically for that game, or there's not enough free storage. So some games require a lot more storage than what is necessary for it to be on there. So check to see, make sure you have at least 200 to 300 gigabytes available if you're going to be downloading a game. Some of these games can be up to 200 to 300 gigabytes now, Call of Duty. And then we can go back and check your queue. Maybe you went to update already and you're updating it, but the game's in the queue and it's not updated yet. So just go to it. We could try pausing it and then resuming it to make it go faster, and just check this out. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.